this tiny HP beast beats i7s? HP Elite Mini 600G9 review you can't ignore. Let's be honest, you're tired of babysitting that sluggish desktop from 2016. You know, the one that gasps for air when you open 10 tabs, panics during Zoom calls, and straight up crashes when you dare to run Excel and Photoshop at the same time. Yeah, that one. Whether you're running a lean startup or managing hybrid teams, the tech bottleneck is real, and it's a productivity killer. You're losing hours to lag, focus to frustration, and your patience? Gone. You didn't sign up for a fight with your own computer, right? You're not lazy, you're stuck with outdated hardware dragging you down. And here's the kicker, while you're stuck watching your spinning wheel of doom, your competitors are flying. They're running real-time dashboards, churning out marketing campaigns, editing video, and hopping in and out of video conferences like it's nothing. You, meanwhile? You're waiting for a PDF to load while silently screaming inside. That lack of speed? It's costing you clients, killing momentum, and making every project feel like a punishment. You don't just need a PC upgrade, you need a freakin' escape plan from tech that's robbing you blind one lost opportunity at a time. That ends now. Enter the HP Elite Mini 600G9, the stealthy little monster with the heart of a beast. This pocket-sized powerhouse rocks a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13500T, yes, it beats the i7-12700T, paired with 64 GB of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD. Translation? This thing doesn't just multitask, it multi-dominates. Whether you're editing video, managing databases, or running 20 Chrome tabs while streaming Spotify, it laughs in the face of stress. Built for business, silent under pressure, and sleek enough to hide behind a monitor, this is the performance PC disguised as a minimalist masterpiece. This isn't just a mini PC, it's a productivity machine built for today's hybrid warriors. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPorts, USB-C, and even HP's top-tier Wolf security, you're not only fast, you're protected. The compact form factor lets it slide into any workspace, while the HP SureSense AI-powered defense system keeps the cyber goblins at bay. You'll get blazing fast startup, military-grade reliability, and peace of mind wrapped in an energy-efficient, eco-conscious package. Ready to see what life's like when your desktop actually works with you instead of against you? This is your moment. Thousands of forward-thinking pros already made the jump, and once you feel this kind of speed, there's no going back. But here's the deal, high-demand specs like this don't sit on shelves long. You're not the only one tired of lag and sick of bulky towers hogging your desk. So don't sleep on it. Grab the HP Elite Mini 600G9 now and experience the small desktop that's making big waves in business tech. Act fast, crush deadlines, reclaim your flow, and never let outdated hardware mess with your hustle again. This ain't just a desktop. It's your comeback story.